You know what? Here's another challenge. Do a 3C kit. 3 and 4C kit. You don't have a container. You got cutting. Bam. Right? You can make a container with cutting. Now, two things you should always have. I say, because the survival. I know this has been done a billion times, but uh, or said a billion times. But a survival expert was asked if you could bring one thing into the wilderness, what would you bring? Trash bag, he said. For me, I say trash bag and cutting tool and a knife at least. Why? Because the knife you can make cordage, container, right? Shelter or cover. You know, or what have you. Why? Because if you find, say, a bottle, they're more they a bottle is more it is common usually in the woods because people drink go rip. You can actually all you gotta do is like have it close and then just turn the bottle and that should do that. Bam, cutting. You have your cordage, right? I I'm rethinking how I do my kits, right? Um, like one thing I would have cutting. Now, if you do a 3C kit, do cutting, cover, and combustion. Why? Because one, cutting, you can make a fishing spear, right? You can fashion a fishing spear, jump, use the knife to descale it, cut the head off or whatever, cut the tail off. The combustion, fire, use that spear, open fire cooking, right? Like, and I'm basically figuring this stuff out by myself, by the way, right? Cutting, you can make hunting tools, right? You can make, so you can make a pole, right? You have like a pole, a fishing spear, you have like a fishing pole, you have a bottle, yep, that's your cordage for fishing, yeah? Another thing I would have is at least you can use a needle as a improvised hook. You can. That's why I pretty much have like all those small ones in the which I need to take out because honestly, I'm not gonna be really be needing them. Yeah, I'll put that in the Tennessee kit. But yeah, I had to be harsh on myself because I was like, I wanted. Okay, here's the thing. I'm just gonna say this right now. I wanted it to be in everything but a bag. Evacuation kit, which I already have the small little one from uh, Be Smart Get Prepared. I think it's on that little that lone wolf kit. Yeah, I have that as my dedicated evac kit, so I'm good for that. Right? I want it to be bug out. I want it to be post apocalypse. Too much. Learn from my mistake. Yeah, canned goods are good. Make sure you have like no liner in it. Then you can use like tin as a boiling and cooking pot. Which you can make with a knife. Dip, dip, right? Then you know, I could actually build a three-piece kit with a little bit of extras that will make it so make sure you have what you need, right? Okay, I would have some nails in it, like some little nails so you can have like a little paw thing with you know, and then you know, like a little coat hanger or whatever. The tip, little coat hanger. Also, some needles and all that. Honestly, I'm gonna build a 3C kit. I'm gonna build a 3C kit. Okay, right? I'm gonna build the 3C kit and 4C kit also. So I'm gonna practice what I preach. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I need to go to the I need to go to Dollar General to get some contractor bags or some leaf bags. To do it, I'm gonna have a knife and combustion. I already have nails I can do. I'm gonna put in the nail thing in the nails I have in the like little the picture hanging stuff. That's going in there too. You know? Do I need a hammer? Not really. Yeah. I'm gonna put in the needles. I'm putting some. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in that little kit, that little sewing kit. Take out the needles. I already took out the needles. The sewing needles and take out um the thing with the buttons in it. Put that in there. I'm gonna basically only need a bag. It's a plastic bag to carry all the stuff in, and I'll be good. Really. Now I will be actually testing it out because I want to see how good it is. Now for my knives, I'm doing folding knives pretty much. One will be my bushcraft knife. Have it up there. You still have it up there. You want? That's weird. No, I don't. Oh wait, that's where did I put it? Oh God, I put it in one of those boxes out there, didn't I? Right, because that's actually a really decent knife to do, and I can actually easily sharpen it with one of those with the things I sharpen it with, so I can put that in my pocket, and bam, I have that. You know, I want to demonstrate some stuff too. Some bushcraft skills. Bushcraft skills are based or a really good thing. Basically, the 5C's of survivability are basically a bushcraft kit. Honestly, let's just get real here. All the C's of survival are basically for bushcraft, you know, and fieldcraft and all that. So yeah, when I build the 3C kit, right, I'm gonna, because you can use plastic bag or garbage bags, the black ones for a poncho, for water collecting, solar steel. Well, basically, it's water collecting. Shelter. Any type of uses, really. Forging. That's pretty much why, you know, I say two things you definitely should have is plastic is garbage bag and knife. A good one. So yeah. Anyway, that's another challenge. I will in a future video I will show you me putting mine together so you have an idea. Okay? Anyway, peace.